I've always loved mechanisms. So when I came across the channel of Guang Tang, my mind was blown. He's got thousands of videos that he's animated in Autodesk Animator showing different types of mechanisms. This one was particularly cool. And like all of them, it's just how simple they are. It just blows my mind. So these are two halves that would normally be attached as one, but for demonstration purposes, I printed them in half. I've also put black lines along the hard edges. So there's an indent at the bottom for these to slide along. So you have these two slides. This one has little guides at the on the outside to go down the galley, and how it works is this slides to the end, and when it can't move anymore because of the wall, if you keep applying pressure this way, because the con rods that join them are at an angle, the only way where it can go is up. So if you go like this and you push, it goes up, and if you move back, well, that edge gets caught on that edge and forces it back down, and then you can just keep doing that. Honestly, I didn't think this would work because I printed it so small and I did it quite fast. The quality isn't that good, so there's quite a lot of sanding that went on, but it works, and it's so cool. It's so simple. Like, if I were to design this in my head, there would be at least 1,000 gears that were involved. So yeah, you also gain, in this version, you gain a height of one of these slides. So you can have something lying below a surface, and then when you go blink, it puts two flaps up and like surprise or something like that. But yeah, I just think these are amazing. I'm so glad I finally printed one out. And I'll link his channel below because it's mechanism porn. It's amazing. Anyway, stay safe.